How to collaborate on Instagram post. Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can collaborate on Instagram account. How do you do so? It is very simple. First of all, log in into your Instagram account just like I have done here, and then you can decide to create a new post on a new reel depending on the one that you'd like to do. But to do that, move to the bottom part of the screen, click on the plus icon, and then you'll be brought to the page where you can see post, story, reel, whatever. So if it's a post, for example, first of all, you would have to select a picture. All right, so for me, I'll just go ahead and select this picture and then move to the top right corner and click on the arrow icon there. And then you'll be asked to, add filters to your design if you want to. Then move to the top right corner and click on the arrow icon again. And once it is done processing, you'll be brought to the page where you can see um options for you to write a caption. So you can just type something like uh get your data and then click on tag people. All right, yeah, so after clicking on tag people, you'll be brought to another page. So on this page you can see two options: add tag, invite collaborators. So just go ahead and choose invite collaborators and then go ahead and search out those that you would like to collaborate with. So search for the user you want to collaborate with and select their username. So for example, just type out someone that you know that you'd like to collaborate with and type out the person's name. All right, so once you found the person's name, just go ahead and click on them, and then you can invite as many collaborators as you so desire. All right, so let's search for names, for example. And so once you're done, move to the top right corner and click on the tick icon. And then once you're done, you can see your number of tags here. Then you can add music if you want and all. Then move to the top right corner, click on the tick icon. Then you can share your stories on Facebook if you want to, but if not, click no. And then just like that, the post will be made and the collaborators would also be invited. And once they accept the invite, there would be your collaborators on that particular post. So this is it. Once they accept, the post will appear on their profiles as well. Thank you for watching and have a good day.